Here we go! There once was a man I knew, his name was Roger Brown. He had a thing for small heads, oh man, he was a fucking clown. Then one day found the girl of his dreams, she reminded him of his past. Everything was going real smooth until she saw his ice-infested furry ass. What the fuck is that, said the ranger? Are you some kind of human bear? For in my whole entire life, I've never seen an ass with so much hair. Roger was very embarrassed as he looked upon her with dread. Holy shit, said the ranger, there's more hair on that than on my head. Rainforest Roger, he's gonna get slashed and burned. Rainforest Roger, environmentalists are concerned. The ranger of the forest wants to shave it off. His ass must be stopped before life is lost. Some of you may be wondering where all this hair came from. Just sit back and relax and listen to his college chum. It was a cold and rainy day back in the summer of '82. Mother Brown came across a wolf and did things that a human shouldn't do. By the time he was 7, he was harassed all day long, but not for having a hairy ass, but rather his dinky, crooked schlong. It was not until the ranger anyone see his luscious pelt. Thus ends our story of a man who could use ass hairs for a belt. Rainforest Roger, he's gonna get slashed and burned. Rainforest Roger, the environmentalists are concerned. The ranger of the forest wants to shave it off. His ass must be stopped before a life is lost. Roger will find his place because he has a great character, even though his ass is a huge disgrace. His ass hair sheds all over the sea as he takes off mean shit. We all are very certain he'll never see the ranger's clit. We hope you've enjoyed the story of Roger and his wolf dad. He says it's not the ass hairs, but the dingleberries that are bad. He'll find his Sasquatch wife, for that we're almost sure. Or maybe he'll marry the ranger if she can just get through all that fur.